Good morning, everyone. Hi, welcome back. My name is Anna. This is Veggie VSG if you are new here. Today is going to be a what I eat in the day. I may turn this into a what I eat in a week or something like that. Still in pandemic. Arizona is still a hot spot, so we're just hanging out at home. We are eating a lot of leftovers and cooking a lot at home. We've done takeout, you know, a couple times, maybe like once a week on average, but this is gonna be what I eat in the day. So we have some breakfast cooking up and I'll show you what I make. This is the epitome of using stuff up. So we had these like taco seasoned black beans that I had made for tacos a couple nights ago, so I wanted to use them up, so I heated those up. I spread some spinach and artichoke hummus on a piece of Trader Joe's toast. It is literally some of the best hummus I've ever had. It's by the Good & Gather brand at Target. Here we go, I can't see. Good & Gather spinach and artichoke. They're vegan. I've had the red pepper as well. They're both phenomenal. Highly recommend. And then I'm having my iced coffee with my silk creamer, as per usual. So got the coffee here. I usually do some soy milk, just like unsweetened soy milk, and then some of that coffee creamer, and then the piece of toast. So this will last me a while. It's 10:09, so we'll see. I'm eating later than usual today, so we'll see when I eat lunch. All right, it is 1:53 and I'm gonna have like a lunch type thing. I have one taco from when we had takeout, so I'm heating that up now. It is another bean taco, so beans for breakfast and lunch, but then I'm gonna add some stuff on top. So on top of the taco, I'm gonna add corn chili from Trader Joe's and some Taco Bell hot sauce. Here is my little baby street taco. Here's my hand for comparison. So it's really small, but it has potatoes, corn, black beans, and peppers. And yeah, I'm gonna eat this now. All right, the taco was good, but it was small. I'm still kind of hungry. It's 3:55. I know it's already been like 2 hours. It's just been crazy at work, so I've had to kind of film in between, but we also have leftover, I don't even know what you would call this, but it's like chow mein or lo mein that Colin made. It's like a gingery, sweet and sour type of sauce with fake chicken. This is all that's left. He saved it for me, so I'm gonna eat that and probably a couple of grapes. Yeah, that's my afternoon lunch snack, whatever you wanna call it. It is 6:03 and I'm having some grapes. Okay, I just wanted to do a quick voiceover. This is my favorite salad. I top it with dried cranberries. I always sneak in some ground up flaxseed, also known as flax meal, just to get in some extra protein. I also add these Bada Bean Bada Boom like bean snacks on top to add protein, and then I mix ranch and French dressing together. The only thing I'm missing is the sliced almonds, but that's okay. It's my favorite salad. All right. Late night snack, potato chips. Whoops. All right, guys, it is the next morning. I did have those chips last night. I shared them with Colin, just being completely honest. And I also had a small glass of wine, like a wine spritzer, so it was half a red blend, half Sprite, and a lot of ice. So that was my night last night. Today is Saturday. I am running errands with my mom, and we're helping my grandma with some stuff. So I got ready because what else is there to do in quarantine? I'm bringing with me a Cliff Bar. Where is it? Where is my Cliff Bar? I'm bringing this chocolate chip Cliff Bar, and I'm also bringing these cashews, although we may stop for like lunch or something. I'm not really sure. We'll see what happens. And then of course my coffee, and I also have my water, and I also have my mask, so don't worry. Let's see where this day takes us. It is editing Anna here. Hi, hello. I did not turn this into a what I eat in a week, so that is why this last clip is a little weird. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.